Hi guys, this is my friends Candy Animata. Dayana. This is Dayana friends, and this is Nalim's close friends, I think. They are now friends with me also. Nama what? Huh? Anushka. Wait. Huh? Niroshan. Their names are Anushka and Niroshan. The corner one is Manushka. His name is Manushka. Other one is Niroshan. And yeah, we'll see next time. Yeah, this is my now close friends. Okay, say something. Come on, say man. Come on, kian deko. Bagana kian deko. Kian bagana.